Hi you guys, I just got home from a grocery pickup from Walmart. I just love grocery pickups, so easy. So I got everything that we needed for the week, a little over $200. I like to stay under 200, but I just went a tiny bit over this week. So budget's still good. I'm gonna show you everything we got for all of our meals for this week. Thanks so much for being here. I did the survey about a month ago or so, and you guys said that you love to see my grocery haul videos, so I'm gonna be doing more of them. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Tons of Walmart grocery hauls. I'm gonna throw in a couple other grocery stores here and there. I'm loving Trader Joe's lately. So let's check out this week's grocery haul. All right, so here is the haul for the week from Walmart grocery pickup. Got everything we needed. You guys know I like to spend around $200, but went a tiny bit over budget this week because we needed to stock up on some things. So I'm just gonna go through everything with you guys that we got. I'll just start over here. I got a big pack of hamburger. We got a new Blackstone grill, so we're gonna do some smash burgers. They are amazing on the Blackstone. So here's the buns for the smash burgers. Sandwich thins for the week for my husband's sandwiches that he takes to work. I got some soft mini tortilla bowls. Benjamin loves these when we have taco night, which is at least once a week. I got these 0 net carbs little street taco tortillas, and I am so excited to try these. I tried to get them a couple weeks ago, but they were out on my grocery pickup, so they had them. They are 0 net carbs, high fiber, keto certified. I am stoked to try these out, you guys. I will definitely let you know how they taste. Got our chicken for the week. We go through a pack of chicken a week. I got croutons for my salads. You guys know I love salads. Some almond milk. I get the unsweetened original kind. Big bag of cheese to stock up on. Our milk for the week. Needed some butter. You always got to have a little bit of that in the fridge. Got our cheese and salami. Zachary loves salami in his lunches, so got a pack of that. I always have to have my lettuce for the week for my salads. I've been using these diced green chilies a ton lately, so I needed to get another one to keep my pantry stocked up. Some tuna. This is my favorite Caesar dressing, and I was running low, so I just wanted to stock up on that. Got some frozen meatballs. The boys have been really into spaghetti and meatballs lately, so I needed to get a new bag of that. This lasts us forever. It's a big old huge bag, family size. Love it. And so our veggies, got broccoli, carrots, got some mushrooms, bell pepper. Love this frozen edamame. And then my all-time favorite, riced cauliflower. I use riced cauliflower all the time in so many things. You guys know in my low carb and keto dishes, I am a huge fan of riced cauliflower. We needed a big bag to stock up on walnuts. So this is the value pack. It's pretty big, so it lasts us a few weeks. Got our eggs for the week. We go through about an 18 pack of eggs. If you guys saw my grocery haul from a while back, I got this palmini. It's hearts of palm linguine, and it is 4 grams of carbs per serving, and it looks just like these noodles right here on the picture. And so low carb. I did a meal prep with this about a month or so ago, and oh my gosh, it's so good, you guys. Totally tastes like pasta, like looks like pasta. So I need to keep my pantry stocked with it. So I got a couple of these. They didn't have it last week either, along with the keto tortillas. So definitely wanted to get 2 to stock up in case they run out. Got our weekly stash of yogurt covered raisins. A couple boxes of mac and cheese. I just get the Great Value brand. It is so cheap, you guys. It's 50 cents a box. So I always make sure we have some of this in the pantry. My husband's favorite water drink mix, dragon fruit. Had to get one of those. We needed some wheat thins. I always get the reduced fat ones. I feel like the original ones are kind of like greasy, but love these reduced fat ones. Taco shells. Greek yogurt, my favorite snack. I know I say this every single time. Cottage cheese. Got a bunch of fruit, avocados, grapes, bananas. I got strawberries, blueberries, some lemons. You guys know I love lemon in my detox waters. And I got a big bag of apples back here. My kids, they want me to pick them up with apple slices ready to go in the car after school. So if I don't come to school without apple slices, I get in trouble. A couple things of spaghetti sauce, you guys know. Oh, this one I like. It's the no sugar added Prego. Really, really good. It's just crazy how much added sugar is in a lot of these sauces. So I really love this one. And then I got this one also for the kids because, like I said earlier, they have been really loving spaghetti and meatballs lately. Got some old-fashioned oats. I love these, the old-fashioned oats instead of the quick cooking oats. So these are really awesome. We needed a big box of Cheerios. This lasts us a while. We get the family size, but we were out. Some spaghetti and some chips. I love this Cantina style. They're really good, just like restaurant chips. So this is the haul for the week. We're gonna have some awesome meals. I can't wait for the smash burgers. Can't wait for everything else. And then you guys know my salads for lunch. Love them. So this is our stock up for the week. Hope you guys enjoyed this meal prep. I love Walmart. Just get everything I need in one stop. So subscribe to my channel for lots of grocery haul videos, lots of meal prepping, you guys. And check back this weekend for my meal prep video. Hope that you have a really great day. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, you guys. And I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.